Welcome to the Law Firm Growth Lab, the science of scaling your practice. 3,
2,
1,
action.
We're in Austin, Texas, and we're actually here with Iris Albizu. Can we talk a little bit about your family law practice?
Yes.
And talk about that just a little bit.
I do, in family law, we work on divorces, custody, child support, visitation rights, grandparents' rights also if they want to visit, they want to establish visitation. And that area also has been grown a lot. I started actually working a lot of CPS cases. I was one of the attorneys in the court-appointed list for Travis County. I worked that list for 12 years, and I needed a break after COVID because so many things happening at the same time. But I do still have a love for that. I still keep in contact with all the judges there and some of the caseworkers and things that work there. But we work in divorces and complicated or complex custody cases. And what I can say about our law firm is that we are 100% bilingual office, bilingual staff. I will say that all my staff is native Spanish speakers, and that trust that people have because knowing someone will understand your language and understand you, having that empathy, I think that is very significant. Like for me, even though I'm bilingual, I might have my accent, but I'm bilingual. When I remember when I started choosing pediatrician for my children, I was looking for someone that was bilingual because I said, if I have an emergency, I want someone to understand, if I go in a crisis, I want someone to understand what I'm saying. So same with us, you can feel confident that you have a staff and an attorney that understands your language and can help you and guide you through the process.
And is that part of your secret sauce?
I would say yes. I mean, I would say that that's part of makes us highlight or different from in this area.
Would you share something else, with us that you feel like is the reason that you're growing so much and people are really loving this firm?
I would say that I'm honest with people. If I can achieve something, I will let them know what I think I can do. I can't guarantee results, but I'm confident with what I think we can do, and just letting them know in advance, even from the consultation. And it's difficult sometimes still to set some client expectations, but I will say that the other part that I think we're successful is the empathy. And I try to tell people, we want to provide services in a humane way, not just that you're a client or you're just a number. And we try, I think that still in this era, people are very anxious with everything that is going on, the news and the tensions and blah, blah, and especially working with the Hispanic community, even with people that has immigration status. So trying to be empathetic, trying to that they understand that they're important to us no matter what. I think that also is kind of like a highlight in our law firm, and I try to instill that in my staff.
Yeah, I've always heard that indifference, if they're talking about hiring you and if they feel like your staff is indifferent to their situation, that's one of the big killers. And
Yes.
So it seems like empathy is vital to building a trust with a client.
And it's difficult because they get tired too. They get tired of they're anxious. They get tired of the people maybe complaining about the little things and not focusing on the big wins. So I'm pretty sure that not every day is rainbows and and happy days, but we try. I mean, we try very, very hard to emphasize to our staff about that empathy and why we're here and why we're doing this.
Yeah, constant training and development. So Iris, share with us how someone might contact you.
So on social media, if you search Abogada Iris, Abogada is the term in Spanish for lawyer. Abogada Iris, that's how I'm on Instagram, and I'm pretty sure on Facebook also appears like that. My last name, Albizu. So if you look my last name and law firm, Albizu Law Firm, on Facebook and also on the web, you're going to find all my information. And I mean, my phone number, the phone number of the law firm is 512-861-5638. And we receive text messages too. So if you want to send a text message saying, hey, I want a consultation, they can do that too.
Thank you for joining us today. Congratulations on all your success.
No, thank you. Thank you.